Hey there, my name is Teresa and I want to welcome you guys back to another TB Styles video. Here at TB Styles, I make content for women in their 30s and beyond. Don't worry if you're not quite 30 or if you're a little bit further on the beyond side of things, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button because there's content here for you as well. In today's video, I am super excited to finally be bringing some home content to this channel, and here we are kicking it off with a coffee bar refresh. Guys, look at my coffee bar. I'm a little ashamed to say that it looks a little crazy, but that's okay. We are going to fix it. We are going to get rid of those water bottles. We are going to clean up these junk drawers that I am showing you right now and make this thing look a little bit more presentable. And yes, it is in dire need of some updating, but we're gonna fix it. I have my measuring tape, doing some measurements just in case I want to purchase a few pictures for this area. Measure, measure, measure. It is going to be your best friend. So taking a quick trip to Home Goods, my favorite store for anything organization, and I am back. What you see me doing is taking these water bottles out of the case and actually just going to layer them in one of these cabinet sliding drawer things. I don't know what they're called, but I know that it's a wonderful feature that my husband and I really love to stow away some of the drinks that we have. So it just makes things look a little bit more nicer, as you can see here. Now what I'm going to start doing is removing all of this stuff that you see on the countertops. We're going to get rid of them. And I've had these coffee cups for quite some time. They were a wedding gift for husband and myself, but I think it's time for a little bit of an update. So we're just going to put those away for now. Still easy to grab if I want to grab one of those, but we're just going to move that away for right now. And so that we can start with a clean slate, I am going to be removing this, cleaning this down, making it look really fresh. So I am looking at the state of the countertops right now. So we have some dust on it, a little bit of dirt and debris that we need to get rid of. So I'm grabbing my favorite cleaner, which is the granite and gold. Guys, we do not have granite countertops. These are quartz, but they work just, this cleaner works just as well for the quartz countertops as well. So I am giving it a really good cleaning here. It's probably been a while since I wiped these countertops down, honestly. But now that the countertops are clean, we're bringing things back in. It is now time to start bringing things back in. So you see me bringing in my Keurig that I got for a Christmas gift one year. So red, I really love the color. It's just a pop of color, right? And then I'm bringing in my NutriBullet that you see there. I love that to mix up smoothies and things like that. So these are the main focus that we're gonna be building around. And now I am cleaning out those drawers that you saw. Guys, I have junk drawers. No surprise there, we all have them. I just happen to have two for some reason. But these drawers have just kind of become an overflow station. And now that the drawers are clean, we're gonna just start bringing everything back to the area just to see what we're working with. Got this really cool rolling storage drawer by Keurig. I believe it can hold up to 34 K-cups. Got this one from Target. If I can find the link, I will certainly put it in the description box. But we are just trying to figure out what it is that we're working with. And yes, these are the new glasses that I'm going to be replacing the old ones with. I got these from TJ Maxx. I believe they were $7.99, but very nice glasses. And you'll see them here make an appearance. And yes, so here they are. These guys are really nice. I love them so much. Glass, clear. They look really updated. A nice replacement for what I had up there previously. So I am just adding those to the, I believe that's called a coffee cup tree or something like that. And then you're gonna see me fill up this Keurig storage container with all of the K-cups that I currently have. I had a few, but then I also needed to purchase a few more to fill her up, so I'll do that at some point. Oddly enough, I found this super satisfying, all the K-cups in one place. Finally, I can get rid of those boxes that I had on top of the countertop. And look at that, super satisfying, would totally recommend. Moving on to adding some additional decor pieces that I've picked up from Home Goods as well. Have this cute little sugar and creamer set. Can't wait to start adding some sugar and creamer to it. But for right now, it just looks really, really, really nice. I have to give it a good clean down before I actually start using it, but it does look really pretty. And it's made of glass, so the quality is definitely there. I am going to move on to tackling all of these teas. Did not realize that I had as much tea bags as I did, but I do have some good flavors. Can't wait to start drinking a little bit more tea now that it's cooling down a bit. And we're gonna take a pause for the cause, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a really quick and easy coffee recipe. So here we are. Hey there, so I wanted to pop in really quickly to show you my absolute favorite fall flavored 3-ingredient iced coffee. Yes, 3 ingredients. Guys, I fell in love with iced coffee probably a few months ago. I tried it at McDonald's, and ever since then I've been hooked. But let me tell you, it can get quite expensive, so I had to figure out how to make the coffee myself, and this is what I came up with, and I absolutely love it. I hope that you have been enjoying the coffee bar refresh. Stick around because the review is absolutely worth it, and let's get right into this iced coffee. So as you can see, I've laid out everything here, 3 simple ingredients. So I already have my coffee, which I put in the refrigerator about an hour or so ago, so it's nice and chilled. It is the Green Mountain Hazelnut flavored K-Cup. This is probably my favorite coffee that I am drinking right now. It's not strong at all, but it has really good hazelnut flavor. So that's what I'll be using, and that's what's already in this cup. I have the Smuckers brand caramel sundae syrup. The 3rd ingredient that I'll be using, and this is optional as well, you can certainly swap it out for any other dairy or non-dairy product, but I use the Coffee Mate hazelnut creamer. Really love this stuff. If you want to make this more calorie conscious, there are several other options out there. You can use fat-free creamer if you want to, oat milk, just whatever you like. This is just what I've come up with and what works best for me. So the first thing that we're gonna do is take our cup and we're gonna line it with some of that caramel syrup. Now keep in mind, this does have calories. Although the coffee has about 2 calories, the syrup does have calories depending on which one you choose. This one has about 100 calories for 2 tablespoons or 40 grams. I am not looking to exceed that amount because I don't want this to be too high in calories. So we're just gonna place a little bit down here at the bottom. That's good. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. Like, it's really not much at all. But we're gonna add some more, so no worries. So that's where we are right now. A little bit of caramel in the bottom. And then I'm gonna walk over to the refrigerator and grab some ice. And honestly, the ice is optional as well because the coffee is already chilled, but I do like to add a little bit of ice. And then I'm going to pour this chilled coffee. This is about 8 ounces of coffee. Normally I do 10 ounces, but I have a smaller cup today, so we went with 8 ounces instead. I'm just gonna pour that right in. That's how we're looking so far. It's pretty full already, so I'm not gonna be able to get as much creamer in there, which is a good thing. So we're just gonna add in a little bit of creamer. So that should be about enough. And I'm going to give that a good stir with my straw. Remember, I have that caramel at the bottom. You can certainly stop there if you want to. So I'm gonna just taste it to see if I wanna add a little bit more. It's already got really good flavor, but I do want it to have just a little bit more of that caramel taste. So I am going to go in, just cover the top of it. And I think that's going to do it for the caramel. Oh, that's perfect. That's absolutely perfect. That's really good, guys. I hope you give this a try. Like I said, 3 very, very, very simple ingredients. Make it your own. And also save yourself some coins while you're at it. Instead of going to Starbucks, instead of going to McDonald's, learn how to make this stuff yourself. It's really not that difficult. There are tons of recipes out there, or just figure it out yourself. That's it as far as the recipe is concerned. We're gonna get you back over to the coffee bar for the final reveal. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you've enjoyed the recipe, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video thus far. What you see me doing is just adding a few final touches to the coffee bar, this cute little sign that I found, Coffee and Friends Are a Perfect Blend, and just adding some greenery to brighten things up a bit. Guys, this is the final reveal of the coffee bar. I love it so much. Things look a little bit more cleaner, and there is a picture that I hung myself. This is our happy place. I'll be adding some additional pictures to this area, but for right now, it certainly works. Looks really nice. I've added some coasters and a few to-go cups as well. This drawer is no longer a junk drawer. It has some spoons and some napkins, and then the teas are very, very, very satisfying. I'll be looking for something a little bit more permanent for those teas in the near future, but for right now it works. And my favorite part of all, guys, the K-cup holder. I really love it. It's really functional and it makes things look really pretty. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and look forward to more home decor videos coming up. As I always say, until next time, guys, I'm out. Peace.